our Access lesson. We are going to open a database. So MS Access, just type MS Access on the search box, and that's the program. As you can see here, I have some preset programs that we've been working with. Now today I want us to talk about sorting data in Access. Now we can open one table. Let's say I've opened the staff members table. As you can see, that is my staff members table. We said we can reduce the row height by just dragging like that. We can reduce it, will affect all the rows. Now I want us to sort these first names in from A to Z, so alphabetically from A to Z. So what you are going to do is you are going to right click on the first name on the column that you want to sort. Just right click once, then you click sort A to Z. You will find that those names, the Alex is now the first name. You have to sort edgewise. You just right click. So you click on the edge, then you right click, then you can sort from the largest to smallest. You'll find that now you sorted. Cynthia is the oldest nurse in the hospital, in the prison. So it is important that you're able to understand sort and filter, and filtering. Filtering is when you want to separate data using a given criteria. Like you want to display only the male staff members. You are going to right click on that column. You click on text filters. So when you right click, we have text filters. You are going to use equals. You just type the word male, the exact spelling. You click on OK. It will display for me the male details. So right click, then you can now clear these filters. So right click again, we say text filter. So text filters, we have equals, where you have to type the whole word, does not equal any other word apart from this, begins with, and for example you can also use this to get male. So when you click on OK, this is how the information will be displayed. You can save. You can save this information. You just go to File, Save. So that table will be saved using that. Now I want us also to use filters on edge with numbers. Now number data type, you right click, then you can use equals. Number filters, we have equals, we have does not equal, we have less than, we have greater than, we have between. So you're targeting people who are between. You use between, then you can type here between 30 and 40 years. So you're targeting that group of people. So when you click OK, it will only display for you the information that you need. So sorting is arranging your data into ascending or descending manner. So you can clear those filters like that. You can still do the same when you go to Home tab, under sort and filter. You can still use these icons to sort. So the easiest way is by right clicking on the column that you want to apply, then you'll be able to do the same. Now another thing that I want us to discuss today is relationships. In Access we have relationships. So let's say we have created a table here that has a database that has two tables, so student and staff members. You can create relationship between these two tables. Relationships will assist you in quickly entering data into tables if you're using forms. Now when you want to create a relationship between these two tables, you click on database tools, you click on relationships. It will display the tables. You just select the table that you want, you click on add, select the second table, you click on add, you close. Now you are able to see the two tables here. Now what you are going to do is you are going to create relationship between these two tables. So mostly we shall use the primary keys. You just drag, and just like that when you create, that's how one will create. So a D is related to the admission number, like that. So it is important. I want you to understand how to create relationships also. Then you just close to save. It will ask you, do you want to save changes? You can click yes or no. So these two tables, you've managed to create relationships on them. So database tools, relationships. So define how the data in the table is related, such as ID fields or name in different tables. So if you open the relationships, name, another field that can be related here, maybe it's the residence. You can see we have, if we have residents in both, so we have contact, you can relate like that. So it is important to understand how to use relationships in Microsoft Excel, in Microsoft Access. So thank you for joining me. I'm sure you do exercises.